Moving is expensive. Even if you move across town, you can pay several hundred or even several $1,000s, depending on how much you have to move and whether you have items that need special handling. Luckily, there are plenty of things you can do to cut down on costs. First, you should get rid of as much as you can so there is less to move. You should also get moving quotes from several different moving companies just to make sure you're getting the best price possible. You can also save by considering DIY options, moving in the off-season during late spring or late fall, or even finding free or discounted moving supplies. Finally, you should plan your lodging strategically if you can't make your move in a single day, which could save you a lot. For affordable movers to help you with your local or long-distance move, contact A to Z Valleywide Movers at 602-422-6409.